Very Avenue broom holder and garden tool organizer rake or mop handles up to 1.25 inches, 1 pack, black. From MESS to Home Decor, if you have cleaning supplies taking over your bathroom, kitchen, or garage shelving, declutter with this storage organization system you will want to show off to your guests, indoors or outdoors, tidy up your broom, mop, rakes, tools and more. Perfect for the kitchen, closet, garage, office, great for commercial use, and thanks to the weatherproof design, this holder even works outdoors or on the shed for your garden tools. No slide, commercial-grade hanger with 35-pound holding capacity. Thanks to the spring-loaded, double rubber-gripped slots, whether wet mops, dirty rakes or baseball bats, nothing slips, for your money back. Ridiculously easy install. Included with broom holder are all the screws and anchors needed to mount securely, along with clear step-by-step instructions and video that allow even the clumsiest of us can install easily in just minutes. 100% thrilled customer. We stand behind our products and service. Introducing our 100% thrilled, no questions, no limits, no hassle. Just click add to cart now. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.